What's up, guys? It's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just giving you another quick garage tutorial of a standing overhead press. We're going to be using dumbbells today. So first thing, we want to make sure we have a nice narrow stance so that we can keep that core nice and activated, nicely engaged the entire time. We're going to throw those dumbbells up to the shoulders, kind of in this prone position with elbows pointed forward. From there, we're going to slide those elbows out just a little bit so we're at more of a 45-degree angle, okay? I see a lot of people pressing with their elbows really wide, puts a ton of strain and stress on that rear deltoid, which we want to try to avoid so we don't get any impingement issues, okay? So we're in this front 45-degree angle, slight bend in the knees, really tight core. You are going to press straight up, punch that ceiling. The head's going to come through at the top, and then as you slowly lower those dumbbells and those elbows, head comes back just slightly. Full reset, make sure that core is nice and tight, punch that ceiling, head comes through, slow and controlled for that negative or eccentric portion of it. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.